Hello, everyone. I'm Bebe from APJ NetWorker Support. Today, I will guide you through the process of installing the Dell EMC license server on a Windows system. Before we begin, I strongly recommend reviewing the Dell EMC licensing guide. This comprehensive guide covers the installation, configuration, and the license management in detail. You can find the Dell EMC licensing guide on our support website, which I will demonstrate that later. Firstly, we need to obtain the license server installation file. To do this, type in https://www.dell.com/support and hit enter. This will take you to the homepage of Dell EMC support website. Scroll down, type in NetWorker and hit enter. This will take you to the NetWorker product support page. And in here, we will be able to find the installation file, which is located in the drivers and downloads, and also documentations. As I was mentioning about the licensing guide earlier, you can find the licensing guide in the documentation tab. Type in license guide and hit enter. You can find all the licensing guide for NetWorker here. And you can open it like this. Now, continue with our installation. We're going to go to the drivers and downloads. In the keyword section, we're going to type in license. And you can see that it filters down to just the license server. In this case, we are looking to install the license server for Windows 64-bit. And you can find it here. Click the download button, which will download the installation package. Now, I already have this downloaded and then put it onto this machine, which I'm going to install the license server on. Once you have the license file downloaded, double click on that, which will start the license server installation wizard. Click on next. Read through the license agreement. And then tick the I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. Specify the location where you want to install it to. Hit next. And then hit install to install the license server. And hit finish once it's done. And there you have it. You have successfully installed the Dell EMC license server. The next step will be to review the license guide on how to configure and manage. Thank you for watching.